Hello, this is Pat Walker, Mission Winners, doing a training coaching video for everybody. So we're looking at Boyd Gaming. It ran up on good volume. See these volume bars? That's good. And then it meandered around. Okay? And then it lifted up, and then fell on a slight pickup in volume. And then it had a quiet inside day on less volume. And then it gapped up, and it ran up close to old highs and reversed down on really heavy volume. The heaviest volume it had done in a couple of months. All right? More than a couple of months. And it closed right near the lows of the day. That is a warning sign. What is it telling us? And it's nothing fancy. It's really simple. Sellers. It was met with sellers there. People who wanted to get out. And they're getting out. You can see it right here. They're doing what they can to get out. And it's reflected in price action combined with volume. Now, a lot of people look at it and say, well, that's all right. You know, everything's going to be fine. You combine it with market action, and all of a sudden, things don't look so good. So you look at this and you say, yep, we'll see what happens. So then it does this. And you can say, oh, look at that. It gapped down, okay, and closed. Volume wasn't that heavy, but we'll still be okay, right? But this bar was talking. The volume, the selling volume on this bar was heavier than any up volume bar, any of them. And it gapped up and reversed down. That bar is talking. You can't ignore it. You say, well, we'll see what happens. This is what happens. This is today, Monday, 3/7/22. That's the kind of stuff that can mess you up financially, and that's the kind of action that can mess you up psychologically. One of the biggest things that we always talked about in the meetups was we have two types of capital. We have financial capital, and we have emotional or mental capital. And we must protect both of them. If we do things that hurt us financially, it can also hurt us psychologically and lead to poor decision makings and potentially the freeze, as Dr. Van Tharp talked about in his interview in Market Wizards. So you look at this. And again, I'm going to go back and point this out. This is a serious selling bar. Ignore it at your own peril. And then it does this, and then it does this. And this is today, 3/7/22. That hurts. That hurts. And the beautiful part is, if you managed it up in here when it was dropping, okay, and reversing down, you were out. If you bought it here, you're out for a profit. You had another day to get out. You never let a good profit turn into a loss. But if you did, now you have a problem. Anyway, I wanted to go through it. Mission Winners, we don't just want to give ideas. We want to educate. Show people what to look for in the charts.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.